Hello guys, welcome back. This is the part 7 of JWT Authentication. In this video we are going to build this beautiful register page. So let's get started. Go to terminal and new terminal. Go to client project and let's generate register component here. ng inside pages register and skip test. Register page is created. So go to app.route.ts and here let's duplicate it, and here let's set register and register component here. Save it and go to navbar component HTML, and here we have already added register link here. So let's start our application. Take a look, here we have register. Let's click register and register work here. So now let's design our register page. Go to register component HTML, here remove this. Let's add div here, give class is screen, flex item center, justify center, and let's add form class shadow md, rounded md, and p5 busy white w1 white. And here let's add div and class of py4. Inside this div let's add h1 and class font bold text xl py2. Register, save it. Take a look, we have register here, and let's add after h1 let's add h6 here and give class text select 600. Let's give class text select 600 and text base add create your account text here. And after this div let's add MatFormField appearance. Let's add appearance fill and class wfull. Let's go to register component and import MatInputModule. Save it, and here let's add mat label, and inside mat label add email here, and after this mat label let's add input mat input and placeholder email, home control name for now email, and icon here add icon mat icon mat fix, and let's add email here. Save it, take a look, and let's import mat icon module here. Mat icon module, save it. We have email field. Now let's add full name field. Let's add mat. Let's copy this one and paste it here. Let's add full name and mat prefix, add portion here. Save it, we have full name, and let's paste again. Add rules here, and inside icon let's add groups. Save it, we have rule field, but we need, instead of this mat input field, let's add here MatSelect here, and go to component, import here MatSelect module, and here let's import MatSelect module from Angular material select. Save it. Now let's add here mat option. For now let's add here admin and duplicate it and user here. Save it. Go to register, and here we have admin and user, and let's make it multiple, and here let's add multiple attribute. Save it. We have selectable. Here let's add another input field. HTML, let's add here password, placeholder password, placeholder full name, and instead of email let's add here log. Save it. We have here password field. Let's add type password. Now we have password field. Let's duplicate it, and let's add here confirm password, type password and confirm password. Save it. Have another field with let's add here button, class w full, border select 100, disabled, pg purple 400, py2, px3, pg purple 700, purple 700, and type submit, register here, and add text register. Save it. We have register button. Let's add text white here, text white, and rounded empty. Look, we have register button, and let's add here text div class mi4, and inside this div let's add a span tag and give class of text select 600, and let's add text here. Already have an account question mark, and here give class text purple 700, and add router link here, login, remove this active link from here, and add text login. Go to Reigster component and import router link here. Save it. Now let's add reactive form module. Let's import reactive form module here, and inside Reigster component let's inject here FormGroup. Here let's inject FormBuilder. Let's create register form of type FormGroup, and inject router, and let's implement on init interface. Let's implement it, control dot and implement interface. Got it, paste it, and this dot register form is equal to this dot form dot group here email field, and let's add empty value validators dot required validators dot email, and for password add here password and keep empty value, initial value empty, and validators dot required, and here full name validators dot required roles. Here let's add empty array, initial value empty string, and confirm password let's keep empty value and validators dot required. Let's remove this command. Now let's make password. Let's add icon here, mat icon and mat suffix. Let's add here visibility, we have icon here. Let's go to component and add here variable confirm password height and boolean. Let's copy it and go to component. Here let's add confirm password height true, then visibility off, otherwise visibility, and let's bind here click event here equal to not confirm password height. Go to browser, let's test it. We have toggle button, but let's add here type and confirm password height true, password otherwise text here. Let's add here. Let's make password toggle here, this one, and paste here password height and password height. Let's make it password height, and let's go to component and define boolean variable here, and let's copy this one and paste it here. Let's remove this confirm here, make this true, and remove this one. Remove this one and add password here. Let's test once again here. Now we can toggle our password and confirm password here.